Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going over the Harbor Freight's August parking lot sale, which is going on from August 10th to August 16th. In this video, we're going to go over the 35% off Quinn hand tools. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what tools it is and tell you the sales price. So let's go ahead and get started. Starting off the sale, we got a SAE and Metric Master Impact Socket Set. This one is starting at $99.99. And if you take 35% off that $99.99, that drops it down to $64.99. Then we got the SAE and Metric Master Socket Set. This one's starting at $54.99. Sales price on that one will be $35.74. Next up here is the one I think people are going to be knocking the doors down for, because this is the brand new Master Technician's Tool Set, 428 piece. This is one of the most complete kits there is out there. $429.99 is regular price. With the 35% off, that's dropping it down to $279.49. I bet you every Harbor Freight runs out of this kit during this sale. Then finishing off this row, we got the Master Bit Socket Set, 87 piece for $99.99. Sales price on that one's going to be $64.99. Starting off this row, we got a Quinn 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive SAE and Metric High Vis Socket Set, 66 piece. Regular price on this one is $59.99. Your sales price on this will be $38.99. Next up here, we have the Premium Screwdriver Set. This is a 15 piece. Regular price on this is going to be $27.99. Sales price on this is going to be $18.19. And I'll leave a card up above for you guys. I do have this set and I've done a video on it. I actually need to do an update video on it. I am very pleased with this set. So I do recommend you guys to pick this up. And the last time it was this price, that's when I picked it up. Next up here, we have the plier set. That is a 4-piece for $24.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $16.24. I also have this set. I use it as my in-house set. Works pretty good for that. It is a decent set. Now, is this going to be something that you're going to use every day in the shop? You could. It's got a lifetime warranty on it. I give it a thumbs up. Then finishing off this row, we got the Quinn 1/2 inch drive deep impact socket set. Regular price on this one is going to be $34.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $22.74. All right, now starting off this row, there is going to be a catch on this one. This one is on instant savings. Now listen, this is where I say it's good to be inside track. Instant savings ends Thursday, August 13th. ITC gets first pick Monday, August 10th through Thursday the 13th. So guess what? That 35% will count on this. So what we have here is the 3/8 drive Metric Master Socket Set, 9-piece. Instant savings is going to be $24.99, but you're going to be able to stack that, and you're going to use the 35% off to get it for $16.24. Then we got the 3/8 drive, 5 to 100 foot-pound digital angle torque wrench, normally $169.99. 35% off of that will be $110.49. Next up here, we got the 3/8 drive SAE and Metric High Visibility Socket Set, 35 piece. This one is going to be $39.99. 35% off on this one is going to be $25.99. Then finishing off this row, we got a SAE and Metric Chrome Socket and Ratchet Set, 21 piece. This one says starting at $19.99. 35% off of that one is going to be $12.99. Starting off this row, we got the 1/2 inch drive low profile impact socket set. This one says starting at $34.99. Sales price on this one will be $22.74. Next up here, we have a 3/8 drive SAE and Metric spark plug socket set. This is a 14-piece set. That's a lot of stuff in that one. Regular price on this one is going to be $79.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $51.99. Then we got the 100-tooth Metric ratcheting combination wrench set. 12-piece on this one for $99.99. Sales price on this one will be $64.99. Leave a comment down below if you guys have these. I like to know if they work good or not. I have ratchet wrenches from other companies, but I don't think I ever paid attention if anybody said these are any good or not. I'd like to hear from you in the comments. Finishing off this row, we got the 1/2 inch drive, 12.5 to 250 foot-pound digital angle torque wrench. This one is going to be $179.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $16.99. Starting off this row, we got the 1/2 inch drive 50 to 250 foot-pound click torque wrench. $79.99. Sales price on this one will be $51.99. Next up here, we have the 100 tooth SAE ratcheting combination wrench set, 13 piece for $109.99. Sales price on this one will be $71.49. Next up here, we have the 3/4 inch drive SAE ratchet and deep impact socket set, 21 piece for $249.99. Your sales price on this one is going to be $162.49. Finishing off this row, we got a 1/2 inch drive, 25 to 250 foot-pound digital torque adapter, $44.99's regular price on this. Your sales price is going to be $29.24. Starting off this row, we got the electronics repair kit, and this one is a 87 piece for $39.99. Sales price on this one will be $25.99. Then we got another instant savings one here where the same rules apply. If you're ITC and get it before August 13th, you'll be able to stack this one. We got the 3/8 drive SAE bolt extractor socket set, 9 piece, $24.99 instant savings. Stack that 35% off on there and you get it for $16.24. Then we got the precision screwdriver set here. That's a 12 piece for $14.99. Your sales price on this one is going to be $9.74. Then finishing off this row, we got the 1/2 inch drive impact socket set. This one is going to be $24.99. Your sales price on this one will be $16.24. Starting off this row, we got the 3/8 inch drive, 5.9 to 59 foot-pound digital torque adapter. This one's going to be $34.99 regular price. Your sales price on this one will be $22.74. Next up here, we got a 14-in-1 painter's tool, and once again, this is an instant savings. ITC, you're going to be able to stack this before the 13th. We got $3.99 regular price. Your sales price on this one will be $2.59. Next up here, we have the 52-inch and 100-inch clamp and cutting edge guide. $39.99 is your regular price. Your sales price on this will be $25.99. Then finishing off this row, we got the diamond tip screwdriver set. This one is a 6-piece for $16.99. Your sales price on this will be $11.04. I've heard a lot of people say that these are a very good screwdriver set to have. I haven't tried them myself, just going off of what I've seen on videos. Starting off this row, we got the 3/8 drive chrome deep socket set, $14.99. Your sales price on this one's going to be $9.74. Then we got a sorted scissor set, 3-piece on this one, $5.99's regular price. Sales price is going to be $3.89. Then we got the 3/4 inch drive impact socket set. This is 2 options here, which basically means you're going to have the SAE or the metric on that one for $54.99. Your sales price on this one is going to be $35.74. Then finishing off this row, we got the snap ring pliers with reversible action. Sorry about that. It's going to be $13.99 regular price. Your sales price on that one is going to be $9.09. Starting off this row, we have the 3/4 inch extendable ratchet for $69.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $45.49. Next up here, we have the 10 to 50 inch pound precision torque screwdriver set, 22-piece on this one. Regular price is $84.99. Your sales price is going to be $55.24. Then we got the 3/8 drive, 20 to 100 foot-pound torque wrench for $69.99 regular price. Your sales price with 35% off is going to be $45.49. Finishing off this row, we got the 3/4 inch drive deep impact socket set. This is going to be $84.99 regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $55.24. Starting off this row, we got the premium putty knife scraper set, and this is a 4-piece set. $11.99 is going to be regular price on it. Your sales price is going to be $7.79. Then we got the 7-inch diagonal cutters for $8.99. Sales price on that one is going to be $5.84. Next up here, we have the 3/8 drive low profile seal head ratchet for $21.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $14.29. And I know a lot of people like that comfort grip on these. They say these are a decent ratchet. I've never tried them, just going off of what I heard. Finishing off this row, we got a 1/4 inch drive extendable breaker bar for $27.99 regular price. Your sales price on this is going to be $18.19. Starting off this row, we got a metric flare nut wrench set, 5-piece for $39.99. Your sales price on this one will be $25.99. Then we got the 7-inch diagonal cutters with the comfort grip for $8.99 regular price. Sales price on this one's going to be $5.84. Next up here, we got the 1-inch drive impact socket set. This is going to be $99.99. Sales price on this one's going to be $64.99. Then finishing off this row, we got the 6-inch digital caliper for $49.99. Sales price on this one will be $32.49. Starting off this row, we got the heavy duty impact screwdriver kit, and this is a 9-piece for $42.99. 35% off on this one is going to be $27.94. Then we got the 1/4-inch drive chrome deep socket set for $13.99. Sales price on this one's going to be $9.09. Now we got the 3/8 drive chrome socket set. These ones look like these are going to be the shorter ones. Next up here, we have the 3/8 drive chrome socket set for $13.99 once again. So your sales price is going to be $9.09. Then finishing off this row, we got the 8-inch single hand riveter, $16.99 is regular price, $11.04 is sales price. Starting off this row, we got 11-inch shop shears, $11.99 is regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $7.79. Then we got the 33-inch extendable indexing pry bar for $59.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $38.99. Next up, we have a 10-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver for $8.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $5.84. Then finishing off this row, we got the 1/2-inch drive chrome deep socket set, $18.99 is regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $12.34. Starting off this row, we got the 12-inch drive low profile seal head ratchet. This one is going to be $24.99 regular price. Your sales price on this one is going to be $16.24. Then we got the 9-inch linesman pliers. These are going to be $11.99 regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $7.79. Next up here, we have the long reach universal hose clamp pliers. $24.99 is regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $16.24. Finishing off this row, we got the extendable comfort grip scraper. $9.99 regular price. 35% off of that one is going to be $6.49. Starting off this row, we got the 1/4-inch drive low profile sealed head ratchet, $18.99. Sales price on this one will be $12.34. Next up here, we have the 1-inch drive SAE and metric truck service impact set, 10-piece on this one. $112.99 is your regular price. With the 35% off of that one, it'll be $73.44. Then we got the 9-inch lineman pliers here for $11.99. Sales price on those are going to be $7.79. Then finishing off this row, we got the pry bar set, 2-piece, $12.99 is regular price. Sales price is going to be $8.44. Starting off this row, we got the 1/2-inch drive, 80 to 160 foot-pound preset lug nut torque wrench. This is going to be $54.99 regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $35.74. Then we got the 3/4-inch drive, 150 to 750 foot-pound digital torque adapter, $64.99 is regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $42.24. Then we got the 8-inch long nose pliers with the comfort grip for $6.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $4.54. Then finishing off this row, we got a premium screwdriver set, 2-piece here, $3.99. Sales price on that one is going to be $2.59. Starting off this row, we got a 21-inch heavy-duty carbide tile cutter, $42.99 regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $27.94. Then we got a 1/4-inch drive chrome socket set, $12.99 regular price. Sales price on this is going to be $8.44. Next up here, we have a 2-inch putty knife for $3.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $2.59. Then finishing off this row, we got the SAE flare nut wrench set, 5-piece, $39.99. Sales price on this one will be $25.99. Starting off this row, we got the 8-inch long nose pliers, $6.99 regular price. Sales price on this will be $4.54. Next up here, we have the job site offset scissors, $11.99 regular price. 35% off of that one will be $7.79. Then we got the 10-inch contour gauge. This is going to be $12.99. Sales price on this will be $8.44. Then finishing off this row, we got the Quinn 1/2-inch drive chrome socket set. This is going to be $14.99. Sales price on this is going to be $9.74. Starting off this row, we got the 6-inch putty joint knife. This one is going to be $6.49 regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $4.21. Next up here, we have the 10-inch self-adjusting pliers for $10.99. Your sales price is going to be $7.14 on these. I do have these, and I really like these. Mostly when you got a nut and a bolt, you put this on the nut and you ratchet on the bolt. They lock down real quick for you to loosen or tighten it up. Really like them for that. Next up here, we have a 24-inch indexing pry bar, $52.99 on this one. With the 35% off, you're looking at $34.44. Then finishing off this row, we got a 6-inch dial caliper, $47.99's regular price, $31.19 is going to be your sales price. Starting off this row, we got an 8-inch self-adjusting wire stripper, $19.99 regular price. Sales price on this will be $12.99. Next up here, we got the 3/4 inch drive impact socket adapter and extension set, 5-piece for $44.99. Sales price on this will be $29.24. Then we got the 13-inch long reach compound joint pliers for $12.99. Sales price on this will be $8.44. Then finishing off this row, we got the 12-inch stainless steel taping knife. This one is going to be $10.99. Sales price will be $7.14. Starting off this row, we got the contour scraper with the 6 blades. This is going to be $9.99 regular price. Sales price on this one will be $6.49. Next up here, we have the job site straight scissors, $9.99. Sales price on this will be $6.49. Then we got the 18-inch indexable wrecking bar for $27.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $18.19. Finishing off this row, we got the 8-inch pistol grip long nose pliers, $9.99. Sales price is $6.49. I do have these, and what I like using them for is pulling fuses out of fuse blocks. Finishing off this row, we got the 8-inch pistol grip long nose pliers for $9.99. Sales price on this is going to be $6.49. I do have these, and what I like using them for is pulling fuses out of fuse blocks. Starting off this row, we got the 3-inch scraper. This is going to be $5.49 regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $3.56. Next up here, we have the 7-inch self-adjusting pliers for $9.99. Sales price on this is going to be $6.49. Like I said before, with the 10-inch, I have these also and like them for the same reason. Then we got the 12-inch blue steel taping knife for $8.99 regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $5.84. Then finishing off this row, we got the 8-inch 45-degree bent long nose pliers, $7.99 regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $5.19. Starting off this row, we got the 4-inch putty knife for $5.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $3.89. Next up here, we have the 3-inch putty knife for $4.99. Sales price on this one will be $3.24. Next up here, we have the Razor Blades 10-pack, $1.99 regular price. 35% off of that one is going to be $1.29. Finishing off this row, we got the 6-inch blue steel taping knife for $5.99. Sales price on this one will be $3.89. Starting off this row, we got the 1.5-inch scraper for $3.49. Sales price on that is going to be $2.26. Next up here, we have the 10-inch blue steel taping knife for $7.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $5.19. Next up here, we have the 8-inch blue steel taping knife for $6.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $4.54. Finishing off this row, we got the high voltage electrician pliers, 3-piece. This is going to be $29.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $19.49. Starting off this row, we got the 10-inch stainless steel taping knife for $9.99. Sales price on this one will be $6.49. Next up here, we have the large inside corner tool. This one is going to be $5.49 regular price. Sales price is going to be $3.56. Next up here, we got the 3/4 inch drive socket accessory kit, 5-piece on that. Regular price is going to be $39.99. Sales price on that's going to be $25.99. Then finishing off this row, we got a 2-inch scraper for $4.49. Sales price on that one is going to be $2.91. And there you have it. There is the Harbor Freight August parking lot sale, 35% off of all Quinn hand tools. Now, let me tell you, there's some good stacking opportunities on this with the instant savings if you're ITC. Always pays to be ITC on that. The other great thing about Quinn I really like about it is you got stuff from putty knives to scrapers to great tool sets. I mean, all their socket sets and their ratchet sets, they're all good quality stuff. Their wrenches, like I said, I don't know about the ratchet wrenches. Leave a comment down below. Like I said, I want to know your guys' opinion on that. But that's the great thing about this Quinn sale is there's a vast variety of stuff for you guys to pick up on this. I mean, impact sockets, regular sockets, there's just all kinds of stuff. Leave a comment down below. What are you guys thinking out of this? Once again, is there anything disappointing for you guys? Leave that comment down below also. Love talking to you guys down in the comments. So as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below. Really helps the channel out and helps me grow the channel. Also, don't forget we are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.